How to block team Snapchat on Snapchat. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to block team Snapchat. So if you want to block team Snapchat, so let me just quickly show you that. Just open up your Snapchat application, and once you're inside here, just tap on this your chat section, and under your chat section scroll all the way down until you see the team Snapchat option or chat. So just tap on this. Now what you can do is just click on this profile icon, and once again click on its profile icon, and once you're inside here, finally click on this three dot icon at the top right corner, and as you can see, there is no actually any option to directly block this chatbot or chat. So in case or instead, what you can do is just you have to disable this story notifications, as well as try to disable these notification functions from over here at the top as well. So once you do all of that, you should not be receiving any messages or notifications regarding their messages on Snapchat. So but you cannot directly block team Snapchat on your Snapchat directly. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.